Have you ever pondered the intricate dance of human reproduction, the intimate ballet that merges two into one, creating the miracle of life? Yes, today we delve into the exciting world of human reproduction, a journey that starts with a single act: sexual intercourse between a male and a female. Sexual intercourse, often referred to as sex, is a natural biological process designed for reproduction and the continuation of species. It's a complex process, orchestrated by a symphony of hormones, nerves, and physical responses. In the human species, sex involves the male and female reproductive systems. These are designed to work in tandem, each playing a unique and vital role in the process of reproduction. The male reproductive system includes the testes, which produce sperm, the male reproductive cells. During sex, these cells are released in a fluid called semen through a process known as ejaculation. The female reproductive system, on the other hand, includes the ovaries, which produce eggs, the female reproductive cells. In a cycle known as menstruation, one of these eggs is released approximately once a month, ready to be fertilized. Sexual intercourse is the act through which sperm meets egg. During sex, the male ejaculates, and the sperm travels up the female's reproductive tract. If the timing aligns with the release of an egg from the female's ovary, one sperm has the chance to fertilize this egg, resulting in conception. But the dance doesn't end there. Following fertilization, the fertilized egg, now called a zygote, travels down the female's fallopian tube and implants itself in the uterus. Here, it develops into an embryo and eventually a fetus, growing and maturing over approximately 9 months until birth. So, to summarize, sex is not just a physical act. It's a complex biological process involving the male and female reproductive systems, hormones, and a bit of timing. It starts with the release of sperm and egg, followed by fertilization, implantation, and finally, the growth and development of a new life. Remember, this is a broad overview of a complex process. Every person's experience with sex and reproduction is unique, and there are many factors including health, age, and personal decisions that can influence this process. It's always important to seek personalized advice from a healthcare professional when it comes to sexual health and reproduction. And with that, we've explored the fascinating world of human reproduction, from the act of sex to the miracle of birth. It truly is a wonder to behold, a testament to the intricate and beautiful design of the human body. So, the next time you ponder the miracle of life, remember the incredible journey that starts with a single act: sex.